Let me show you two ways of resizing images in Affinity. Option number one, just open the program and drag in the image. This way you will create a new document automatically, exactly on the size of the image. I can see it here in the transfer box. That's the size of it. Then we head to the top menu. Document, Setup, Resize. We can resize the whole document from this pop-up menu. You can also change units. So if you prefer inches or centimeters or millimeters, all here. If you got this lock on by default, the proportion will stay. So now I can change this to, let's say, 200 millimeters wide, and the height will adjust. We can click resize. Seems like nothing changed, but if you look into transfer box, you see it's way smaller, and if I zoom in, it's not sharp anymore. It's a small picture. Alright, so that's method number one. Let's undo. What if we went for document setup, and instead of resize document, I do a resize canvas? In that case, the picture will not resize straight away, just the document around it. Let me show you. I click resize and I just increase the size of the canvas, but the picture is still in the original size. Of course, I can stretch it by hand if I like. Here it is. So, default method of resizing pictures is to drag them in, head to document menu, setup, resize. Resize document will resize everything. Canvas resize only like the paper, the artboard that the picture is on it. Alright, but we can do it totally differently as well. You could actually click File, New, and start the blank document. So let's say you need exactly A4 size picture. So I can start A4 document. And then with this white paper in, we drag the image. Here it is. Of course it's popping out, but that's fine because I see exactly A4 size here, and I can decide that I want to place it here. I want to make it oversized. Place it like that so the side is cropped. I cannot see the side here. So that's another way of doing it. Just create a document in the correct size first and then place the picture at the top of that. And of course, in both methods, it's important to save the brand new image as the new file. So you can head to the right side. You can export, let's say, as JPEG, and then click export. So you save this with this new size. And here's our new version, exactly as A4. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.